how to fix swap failed on Phantom Wallet. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to fix swap failed on Phantom Wallet to get started. First, you need to check the network fee to ensure that you have enough of the network's native token to cover the transaction costs. For example, if you're using the Solana network, you'll need Sol in your wallet to pay for the transaction fee. Without enough balance, the swap won't go through. Next, you can try adjusting the slippage tolerance in the settings. If the price of the token changes beyond the set slippage tolerance, the transaction will fail. Increasing the slippage slightly may help, but be careful not to set it too high, as it may lead to worse trade execution. Another common reason for swap failures is liquidity issues. If the liquidity provider doesn't have enough tokens available for the swap, it won't be executed. In this case, you can try selecting a different liquidity provider. Click on the Browse button in the bottom right corner and choose options like Jupiter or any other well-known decentralized exchange DEX. These platforms often have better liquidity for certain tokens. Additionally, some tokens may be frozen or restricted due to various reasons, including regulatory compliance or network issues. If you suspect this might be the issue, check your wallet to ensure that the token you're trying to swap is not frozen. By following these steps, checking the network fee, adjusting slippage, selecting a different provider, and ensuring your tokens are not frozen, you should be able to resolve most swap failures efficiently. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.